What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a course in Udemy. So you might be wondering how to exactly create courses here. So once you've created your account, well, this one is actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to udemy.com, log in into your account. And once in your account, you want to go and choose the create your course at the very center here. Now, as you can see, you could go to courses at the left panel here to access this. But let's go and click on create your course. And from here, it's going to ask you what type of course are you making. So either create a course or rich learning experience with help of video lectures, quizzes, coding, exercises, etc. here, or you could just create a practice test. Now, depending on how you want to create your course here, you may need to choose the appropriate one here. So some options will only be available to you via this way. Let's go and choose course here. Click on continue. Now from here, how about working title? So for example, let's just say we are teaching about like recording YouTube videos. And let's go ahead and let's go record up. Click on continue. And what category best fits your knowledge you share? So you can go and choose the appropriate one here. Let's just say we are into design. Let's go and click on continue. Now, how much time can you spend creating your course per week? So let's just say we are aiming around like 0 to 2 hours here, and click on create your course. Now from here, it's going to basically start our options. So in this case, you could go and start viewing or reading all through this. So in here, you need to fill out some information about the actual course here. Like for example, what will the students learn in your course here? You can go add your responses here. And also you have your course lecture here, and also set up the test video here. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you need to do here and set up here. And if you want to start adding information about your course here, you could go and click on film and edit here. So in this case, you could go and start, in this case, reading through the requirements here. So film and export in HD. So it's really important that you follow the formatting that Udemy has in here. And if you want to edit your curriculum, you could go to curriculum here. You can add your sections here, like what lecture 1, introduction, all that. You could go and start adding your content here, either video, video slide, or article here. Just want them to read out. You also have the captions here if you want to add captions, and also accessibility here, but this is just optional. And yeah, so once you've planned this one, I would highly recommend you to first know what you are going to teach here. Once you're done, you could go ahead and go to course landing page here, so that you can edit the landing page for your course, the pricing for your course here, your promotions and course messages. And once you fill out all this one, or all the information about your course, your curriculum, go and click on submit for review here, and they will start reviewing your course here, and they will inform you if your video or your course here has been published. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.